Hello and welcome back. This is Geometry Chapter 4 video number 3. Our essential question today is how can you reflect a figure in a coordinate plane? So let's start off with what a reflection is. A reflection is a transformation that uses a line like a mirror to reflect a figure. We'll be maintaining its shape and its distances along each line, each side. The line that we use as a mirror line will be called the line of reflection, and this is what we'll be reflecting across. So let's look at an example. So given triangle ABC with vertices at 1, 3, B is at 5, 2, and C is at 2, 1, we want to find its reflection in its image with a line of reflection at x equals 3. So first we graph A, B, and C. So A is at 1, 3, B is at 5, 2, and C is at 2, 1. Notice every 2 boxes is 1, 2 boxes another. So be careful when you're graphing on how it's labeled. This is called our pre-image. Our starting point is called our pre-image. And now we need to find x equals 3. So at x equals 3, and this is our x-axis. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. We draw a line straight up and down. And that's how we're going to be reflecting across. We want to pay attention how far each point of our pre-image is away from the line, and we're just going to be putting it on the opposite side of our line of reflection. So let's start off with A. A is 1, 2 lines away, or 2 units away from our line of reflection. So we go 1, 2 units the opposite way, and we put A prime. Looking at B, we are 1, 2 units away from our line of reflection. We continue going 1, 2 the opposite direction, and there's B prime. C is 1 unit away, and there is C prime. So we're just finding our line of reflection and just counting the distance away and putting our points for our image. Let's try another one. Same triangle, but we want to be reflected across the line of y equals 1. So once again, we put our pre-image points on the graph A, B, and C. This time we want to find y equals 1. Our y-axis is this axis, and so we want to find 1 on there. Here's our y-axis. We go up from 0, here's 1, and here is our line of reflection. So we draw our line of reflection. And from here, we're going to count the distance across to find all the points of our image. So here was A, here's B, and here's C. So let's start with A. A is 1, 2 units away from our line of reflection. So we go 1, 2 units away, and there's A prime. B is 1 unit away, so we go 1 unit the opposite direction to get B prime. And notice C is on the line, so C is actually not moving, and that's actually C prime as well. Not a big deal. And now we have our pre-image, and our blue graph is our image. So you need to come to me today and get some graph paper. And for our assignment, we're going to be graphing the triangle ABC at 1, 3, B at 5, 2, and C at 2, 1. And we want to find its image for the given line of reflection. So we have 4 different lines of reflection, and we're going to be graphing each one of these across this line of reflection. Come see me if you need help. I actually have a way to help you with this using what I call the cheat method. All right, get practicing. Oh, I forgot to say, we need a summary back here. So come sit with me after you do your summary, then I can show you a way to cheat.